So, MC, may question. Lights on, lights on. Go.
I like that. Don't
Parang si
like
Kuya
that.
Boy, para po. Kuya Boy.
Ba't yung sinigaw?
On a serious note, no? What excites you the most about this collaboration?
We share the same
share.
values. I saw that.
Win-win
I saw
or
that.
no deal?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Siyempre, trust. People have to trust you.
And speaking of partnership, we still have other projects to partner with. We know for a fact na a lot of our OFWs are looking for properties also situated near schools.
So, De La Salle University campus is actually, sabihin na natin na 100 meters away.
Sobrang close.
Sobrang close. As in, para ka lang tumawid ng kalye and ka na sa loob ng La Salle. And there is no other residential development in that area except for Artalan. We have Sivina Park Villas and we have the Una Apartments.
Apartment.
On the other side of the fence,
Okay.
syempre, kung may La Salle, may Ateneo.
Syempre.
Diba?
Green and blue.
Ateneo is here. Live is here. That's how we call the development. Live.
This is Katipunan.
This is Katipunan.
Okay.
Okay. We have our dedicated bridge which brings your children from Live Condominium to Gate 1
Seriously?
of Ateneo de Manila.
As in from the building?
From the building,
May
yes.
walkway,
May
Wow.
overhead. So it's a secured end-to-end bridge. 30 minutes to prepare and then you can just walk. Or you can run, diba?
Very near.
Because it's a secured bridge.
So the only access to that bridge is through Live.
Through Live. Kahit na sabihin mong grade 1 lang yung anak mo, okay lang.
Very safe.
Very safe.
Yes.
Kasi may guard. End to end.
Okay.
Dito naman yung guard ng Ateneo. Dito yung guard namin, di ba? If I may say, just to reiterate that we are really 100% sustainable, we have the most number of EV parking slots. For example, in Sondris, we have 67 EV parking slots.
Wow.
Yeah, and we have 116 bicycle slots. We want to encourage people to be sustainable even when going to malls. You know, just walk, bike, or buy
Carbon
electric vehicle.
Yeah.
Correct.
Kasi yung iba, meron silang mga EVs, no? Pero
Walang
mga
ano,
anim, but not
walang
more than
charging
60.
ports, yeah.
Yeah, kami we have more than 60.
Galing,
Oo.
galing.
I think that's all the time that we have. Thank you very much, our guest, MC.
Thank you so much, MC, for joining us. It's been great talking to you and learning about Artalan,
Thank you.
Sondris, Aluria, Live, Sabina Park Villas, Una Apartments.
Apartments.
And we're excited to share even more information as we take our partnership
Yeah.
deeper and more sustainable.
Yes.
Again, my name is Mitch.
And I'm Dennis, and we are
KW
Rockstar.
Rockstar.